Here's the definition of recursion. A recursive process is one which takes previous terms and add or subtract to get you to build on the next terms in the sequence. I would recommend you read on page 16 in a pre-calculus textbook on the Fibonacci sequence. So we're going to go ahead and construct the terms within the Fibonacci sequence. So here's what we give you in this. We give you a sub 1. So the first term in the sequence, a sub naught, represents 1. Then the next thing they give us is a sub 1. A sub 1's value is also 1. And we want to find out what is a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, etc. And we're going to use this formula. It says a sub k equals a sub k minus 2 plus a sub k minus 1. So we're working with the two previous terms in the sequence. So I'm going to take this piece right here to find the next terms in the sequence. So to find a sub 2, I'm just going to rewrite that formula again. A sub k equals a sub k minus 2 plus a sub k minus 1. So to find a sub 2, I replace the k with 2. So a sub 2 minus 2 plus a sub 2 minus 1. Now let's just simplify those subscript numbers. So a sub 2 minus 2 is a sub naught plus a sub 2 minus 1 is a sub 1. Now we're going to look up into our sequence. A sub naught is 1, so replace that with 1. And then a sub 1 is 1, replace that. And now 1 plus 1 is 2. So now we know a sub 2's value is 2. Let's go on to a sub 3. So to find a sub 3, the fourth term in the sequence, we use the same red formula. So a sub 3 equals a sub 3 minus 2 plus a sub 3 minus 1. Reduce those subscript numbers. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. And you're going to start to notice a pattern. Now we're going to find out what is a sub 1 and a sub 2. Here's a sub 1 and here's a sub 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So looking at this pattern, we take the two previous terms and add them together. This is what Fibonacci's formula is saying. So let's now go away from the formula and look at the pattern. So to find a sub 4, I'm going to take, a sub 3's, I have to put that up here. To find a sub 4, I'm going to take a sub 2 and a sub 3. So those two terms are 2 and 3, which is 5. So here is 5 going right up into term 4. And then you can continue finding the next terms. To find the fifth term, I would take 3 plus 5 gives me 8. Then the sixth term, 5 plus 8 is 13. And then a 7 is 8 plus 13, 21. And then you can continue on if you're interested. And this is how the recursive formula works, working with the previous terms to get the next terms in the sequence.